Alright, I got a tin of 2006-2007 Sweet Shot Hockey. Should be 4 cards in the pack. Just one pack in a tin. Real quick. See what we get. Alright. The Dave Bolland rookie jersey right on top there. Next one's a Scott Gomez signature. Oh, this isn't bad. It's a 2-color 3-piece jersey, number 13/25, Cam Neely. And just your regular Ed Belfour base card. Thanks for watching.